Hello everyone, how are you? Today I will tell you how you can download Pennsylvania Form 40 and fill it step by step and some precautions before submitting it. First of all, you have to go on Google and search for their websites. On the top, and you will get its official government website. By clicking on it, it will redirect you towards the form. So on the top, it will ask you about your security code and also if you are married your spouse security codes, and it will ask you about your residency, and if your residency, and then it will ask about your personal information, you if you are married, so it will also ask for your spouse personal information. Then it will ask you your source of income, how much income you generate, and how many ways you generate incomes, and then it will ask each and everything about your income. You have to read each and everything very precisely and accurately, because the rules and regulations of the government of Pennsylvania are too strict on the tax return policy. Also have to get in mind that some policies, first of all, always write it in with black ink, for example with black ballpoint or etc. And second, always never attach money with this form. It will be, otherwise your form will be rejected. And if you have got any mistakes, you have to you have to rewrite each and everything on a fresh form. Otherwise the chance of cancellations may increase. These are the steps you have to must follow before submitting Pennsylvania Form 40. After you entered each and everything accurately, please check once or twice, and then always remember to sign below if you are married, the signs of both of you, or if you have any uh, taxpayer, you can also add their signs and information. Thanks for watching.